Haymes Paint Show Me is about getting amazing results on your DIY painting projects. G'day, I'm here to show you how to paint your driveway and exterior concrete. Tackling any paint job can be done with our 3 P's: planning, preparation and painting. Step 1, planning. First, choose your colour from the Haymes Pave Shield colour range. For this driveway, we have chosen Haymes Basalt. Work out how much you'll need with our calculator or ask your Haymes staff member. Here's what you'll need: safety gear, preparation gear, painting gear, and most importantly, the stars of the show. Step 2, preparation. Clean the surface of any dirt and loose particles. The best way to do this is by sweeping, then pressure washing. The next step is to apply Haymes Concrete Etch. Add concrete etch granules to water according to the ratio on the product label. Stir until all granules have disappeared. Pour the etch solution onto the surface with your watering can and work in with a stiff brush. Allow to activate on the surface. While brushing, don't allow the concrete etch to dry. Pressure wash thoroughly to remove all etch residue and allow to dry completely. Step 3, painting. Again, make sure the surface is clean. You'll need 2 coats of Pave Shield at different strengths. Your first coat needs to be diluted with Pave Shield solvent. In a separate metal bucket, measure out the Pave Shield you need and mix 300 ml of solvent per litre of Pave Shield. Don't be tempted to skip this step. It is necessary for the first coat to bind to the surface. Now the fun part. Start by cutting in around the edges. Then, with the roller, work in manageable squares and maintain a wet edge to avoid overlap marks. Allow your first coat to dry thoroughly for at least 2 hours. You're now ready for the last step. To finish off, apply your second coat of Haymes Pave Shield at full strength. This coat does not need to be diluted. Your project is now complete. You should be able to walk on the surface with bare feet after 2 hours and drive on it after 7 days. Further information is available on the Haymes Show Me instruction sheets, in store or online.